Section 7-2 Grammar Points. Grammar Point 1 Possessive Adjectives. Let's learn how Spanish people use possessive adjectives first. For Spanish nouns, we categorize as the following: masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, and feminine plural. For the pronoun yo, our possessive adjectives are as the follows: mi for singular and mis for plural. For the pronoun tú, we use tú for singular and tus for plural. For él, ella, usted, we use su for singular and sus for plural. For nosotros or nosotras, we have the following forms: nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras. For masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, and feminine plural, respectively. For vosotros, vosotras, we have vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, vuestras. For masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, and feminine plural, respectively. Finally, for ellos, ellas, ustedes, we use su for all singular forms and sus for all plural forms, no matter the gender. Now let's learn the possessive adjectives in French. In French, the nouns are categorized as the following: masculine singular, feminine singular, and plural form. We don't differentiate between masculine plural and feminine plural. For the pronoun je, equivalent to the Spanish pronoun yo, we have the following: mon, ma, mi, for masculine singular, feminine singular, and plural form, respectively. For tu, or the equivalent in Spanish is tú, we have ton, ta, ti. For masculine singular, feminine singular, and plural form, respectively. For the pronoun il, elle, on, we have son, sa, si. For masculine singular, feminine singular, and plural form, respectively. For the pronoun nous, or the Spanish equivalent nosotros, nosotras, we have notre et nos for singular and plural forms, respectively. No need to consider the genders. For the pronoun vous, translated to Spanish as vosotros, vosotras, usted, or ustedes, we have votre et vos for all singular forms and plural forms, respectively. Finally, for il et elle, or in Spanish, ellos, ellas, we have leur et leur, avec an S, for singular and plural forms, respectively. For more details, please refer to the grammar videos on basic French lessons Lesson 5. Describe your family. Next, we'll continue with grammar point 2. Present tense conjugation of the verb ser. See you in the next video.